Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to be tackling the peeling clear coat on the quarter panel. It's right here. Basically, this happens a lot. You see it a little bit on GM cars more than any others. But basically what's happening, the clear coat is pulling away from the base coat. The clear coat provides ultraviolet protection and I guess a barrier to the base coat. The base coat has no ultraviolet protection at all and will oxidize, and this will get out of hand real quick. As you can kind of see here, it's kind of going under. What I usually do is come back with compressed air and blow as much of this away as I can. Follow it up with 2000 grit sandpaper, sand this whole section. Come back and just spray this section that's bare with about 2 or 3 coats of clear, feathering it off as I go. Come back, wet sand it, buff the whole thing out, and this should disappear, provided it hasn't oxidized to the point where I can't bring it back. Okay, I got the compressed air ready. We're going to blow off as much of this peeling clear coat as possible. So it should just flake off with the air. Which it is. Oh, tape off. Okay, I got my bowl of water with a little bit of Dawn in it. 2000 grit sandpaper. I'm going to go over this whole section until it's dull. Not concentrating too much on this, but getting it as much of that oxidation I can without going down to the bare metal or primer. And try to feather it as best I can. Stick here. Key to this is to feather the edges so that the clear coat and the undercoat color coat is almost invisible. You're getting there right there. It's a small line. When that line disappears, we're ready for the clear. Okay, finished wet sanding with the 2000. I got it about where I wanted it, and I just touched it just a hair with the gray Scotch-Brite, just to give it a paint a little something to bite onto. So I'm going to go with a very light feather coat now, just to get everything started. All right, we'll let that dry. Okay, it's time for the second coat. This one's going to go a little heavier, and I'm going to concentrate it in the spots that don't have paint. That's it. Leave it right there. I'll come back and put another coat right in the same location. Okay, all done. Got 3 coats of clear in the area that was peeled. There was a little bit of a buildup. You can see that right in here. That should come out with the sanding. I'm going to hit it now with 2000 grit sandpaper and see how it comes out. Okay, got it all sanded with 2000 grit sandpaper. It's time to polish it up and see how it came out. It looks pretty good. I can only see like one little high spot. I'm not going to try to get that out. As long as this is hidden, that's all I'm concerned with. Okay, this is the final outcome. There's a little bit of waviness where the clear coat kind of ran and built up, but I can sand that out, but this is good enough. I'm not trying to make it 100% perfect, just trying to prevent it from peeling any more than what it already has. So I would consider this acceptable to the point where you can't really see it unless you're really looking for it. And that's the idea, to take the original paint and keep it from looking too bad. Thanks. Remember to like and subscribe. Keep updated with the project as it continues on. Thanks for watching.